Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you a very simple recipe, pumpkin and drumsticks curry or kumro or sojne torkari with daler bori. It's a very simple recipe, nothing fancy. A different kind of Bengali recipe which is very light, very tasty and very healthy too. I am using here urad dal bori which are very easily available in the grocery stores. If you can't find it, you can skip this. This pumpkin and drumstick curry is a simple but yummy vegetable curry with authentic Bengali flavors, just perfect for cool weather. The key for this simple dish is to get the balance of sweet and spicy right. I use mustard oil which gives a very nice flavor in it. You can stick with vegetable oil too. Now without wasting our time, let's start cooking. We need half cup of urad dal bari. Heat oil in a pan. Shallow fry the bari. Once done, take them out of the pan and keep aside. We need half tablespoon of kalonji, bay leaves, green chilies and dry red chilies. Heat oil in a pan, add whole red chilies, bay leaves, fry a little bit. Add kalonji. As they start to sizzle, add the vegetables. In vegetables, we need pumpkin, potato, drumsticks. Cut all the vegetables in pieces. Mix all the vegetables together. In a medium flame, fry all the vegetable for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are going to add turmeric, salt and sugar. Add turmeric and salt. Mix well. Add sugar now. Add water. Cover and cook till the vegetables are done. Vegetables are almost cooked now. Take 1 tablespoon of maida and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it well. Add the maida and milk mixture and mix it well. Add the boris. Let it simmer for some more time. It should be slightly mushy with all the flavors blended well. Our pumpkin and drumstick curry is ready to serve now. Switch off the flame and cover it for some time. Serve hot with steamed rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.